Hey guys, it's me, Jay, as if you couldn't tell. So, just came back from teaching a class today to young entrepreneurs, and you probably see my corkboard in the back that I used for my demonstration. So, one of the challenges that I see a lot with young entrepreneurs or newer entrepreneurs, not just young, is we try to make our brand too many things. So listen, if you are a person who happens to be good at a lot of things, be good at multiple things, or if you've had multiple careers in your life, it's really easy to try and be multiple things with your brand. Here's the trick. I know everybody looks at, I don't know, P. Diddy or Oprah and says, you know, she has a magazine, they have books, they have clothing, they have this, they have all these things that they do with their brand. Here's the key to that. You become known for one thing first, okay? You have to become known for that one thing first. So P. Diddy was a music producer first. That was before the clothing line. That was before, you know, all the other stuff he got into. Oprah was a television talk show first. That was before the book club. That was before Harpo Studios. So you have to become known for that one thing first, and then allow that one thing to translate your credibility to other things. And also, it's too much information for your audience. People really can't process or digest that many things coming from one person in terms of a multi-brand. So when you start doing multiple things like that, people start saying, oh my God, she's all over the place. And so instead of just appearing to be fly there all over the place, own some space in terms of your brand. Become the expert, you know, just own that space and just be the expert at that space. Then after some time, you can launch another piece and make it a big deal. I'm launching a new division. I'm launching this. I started out as the brand coach. That was all I was known for 10 years. And then I launched Emotional Nudity. And then that's all I did for 3 years. And then I combined the two. So we got Emotional Nudity and the brand coach. And Game Changer is just an event series that came from the brand coach. So it looks like I have a lot going on now, but I did not launch it all at one time. It was definitely done over a period of years in several phases. Okay, so y'all hear the ambulance trying to out-talk me right now? So this is my life, okay? I'm just sitting here minding my own business, and the ambulance decided it was going to drown me out. But guess what? I'm back. Anyway, so I just wanted to leave that tip with you because I just see a lot of people kind of making that challenge, that mistake with their brand. So anyway, Jay Stone, catch you guys on the other side.